What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over Virgin Galactic Holdings, ticker symbol SPCE, and it is one of the top movers in the stock market today, and for some good news as well. Virgin Galactic soars like a rocket today. They had a successful space flight test over the weekend. It's what everyone was anticipating. And basically, this is a critical step forward for this company. And in early 22, they're going to be starting to fly out commercial customers for their spacecrafts. So Virgin Galactic Holdings up almost 28% on the day. One of the best days of the year for the stock, 28%, which is an insane return. A lot of people are happy, or finally happy, since when it tried to do the space flight test earlier in the year and it got delayed. A lot of people got discouraged. Stocks fell all the way to $16, and now it's slightly recovering all the way to $26. So even though it's at the $26 price point, up 28% on the day, I think that for the long term, SPCE Virgin Galactic Holdings is a great recommended buy from my part. I personally am holding 100 shares as well as selling a cash secured put on SPCE. Obviously, it's not a huge position compared to my overall portfolio, but I do want to eventually buy a little bit more of this company. If we can see it go back to all-time highs, we can see a double investment return on our capital. So yeah, Virgin Galactic Holdings, one of the best days of the year. It's a huge step forward, successful space flight over the weekend. And if you guys haven't checked our Patreon already, we have a ton of option alerts as well as stock alerts. So for people who don't want to necessarily trade options, we do have alerters that do shares, pure shares, no options. But some of our options have been performing really well. As we can see here, our Kindred day trades have an incredible profit loss. In March of 2021, we started with 10K and we grew it all the way to 250K, which is an insane return. All of our trades are up here, and as we can see, most of our trades do end up winning. We have an 80% win rate. We hired the best analysts for our server, and we have even crypto alerts. We also have a lot of market info. We have pre-market news. We have watch lists, long-term picks. Everything is in this Discord, and it's only going to cost you $12 a month if you want to get in. But this is my take on Virgin Galactic Holdings. I think that it's a great buy at this price point. Once they start actually sending out commercial customers into space, this is where we're going to see this company stock actually soar. And even though it's up 28%, which is an incredible amount, we could see some minor pullbacks later on throughout the week. But in the long term, if we get all the way back to all-time highs, we can see some insane returns on this company. It's pretty risky, it's pretty volatile, and I think that if you do want to get into it, don't put all your money into it, obviously. The safest way would be to do maybe 5 to 10% of your portfolio into this company. And what you can do is you could do long-term call options, such as something expiring, say, March of 2020, which would be pretty good because they're planning on sending out their commercial customers early 2020. So March of 2022 would be pretty good. April would be as good as well. But my recommendation would be somewhere around July in case of any more delays. July 15, 2022 would be a safe bet. And you can do a long call option on this company. Something around maybe the $30 strike would be good. And if you want to do something a little more shorter term, you want to buy shares, buying shares outright would be fine. I think that it's a low enough price point that it's safe enough. Or you can even do cash secured puts, which is what I normally do on stocks like this with high with high premiums, high implied volatility. The premiums are going to be a little bit higher, so you can capitalize on that. So you could do something like a $25 strike put expiring June 11th, which is around 3 weeks out. And as long as SPCE stays above $25, we're going to be collecting $200 of premium, which is insane. And this is due to this stock being having a high implied volatility, 125%. So this would be a strategy that I would use to play on this stock if you want to trade options on it. That's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.